Managed by the Missile Defense Agency and the Ground-Based Mid-Course Defense Program Office, Booster Verification Flight Test BVT-01 is the first flight test of a two-stage ground-based interceptor. The Ground-Based Mid-Course Defense System currently employs a three-stage ground-based interceptor, or GBI, to defend the United States from long-range ballistic missile attack. The two-stage GBI tested during BVT-01 is a technology development effort intended to demonstrate a shorter-range intercept capability than the current three-stage GBI. BVT-01 will also allow the Exo-Atmospheric Kill Vehicle, or EKV, to collect data needed for modeling enhancements. The BVT-01 GBI was modified by removing the third-stage booster vehicle motor. The third stage has been replaced with an adapter, which interfaces to the EKV. The EKV is the interceptor component that directly collides with an incoming re-entry vehicle to destroy it. BVT-01 is the culmination of several months of extensive planning, ground tests, and hardware preparation. The two-stage booster vehicle was assembled at Vandenberg Air Force Base, California. The BVT-01 EKV underwent initial assembly in Tucson, Arizona, and was integrated into the payload avionics module in Huntsville, Alabama. BVT-01 will employ the Capability Enhancement 1 kill vehicle. After kill vehicle integration, the payload module was shipped to Vandenberg Air Force Base. There it was mated to the booster and processed as the complete BVT-01 two-stage GBI. Following checkout, the two-stage GBI was transported to Launch Facility 24 and placed in an operationally configured silo and readied for launch. BVT-01 will also serve as a data collection opportunity for emerging missile defense sensors. Other participants during BVT-01 are the Airborne Infrared System and the Space Tracking and Surveillance System. These assets will observe and collect two-stage booster imagery and signature data for algorithm and modeling development. The BVT-01 flight test will consist of two sequential events. Event 1 will include interceptor launch and flyout activities and demonstrate ability of the two-stage booster to deliver the EKV to a desired point in space. Event 2 will exercise the EKV through a variety of maneuvers and collect data for post-mission analysis. There will be no live target launch during BVT-01. Instead, the flight test will be initiated with a scripted weapons task plan based on the desired path and time of flight for the interceptor. This task plan will be injected into the command launch equipment at Vandenberg Air Force Base. The command launch equipment will transmit a mission data load containing trajectory flyout and intercept information to the two-stage GBI. Upon receiving data load, the two-stage GBI executes startup, internal power initiation, and launches from Launch Facility 24, a first for GBI flight test. Following launch, the interceptor will perform flyout with pitchover and energy management maneuvers necessary to deliver the EKV to the space-time point designated in the mission data load. Following separation, the EKV will execute a variety of scripted maneuvers to collect data. The EKV will perform several multi-star shot maneuvers and execute operations to collect solar exclusion angle data. The EKV will continue along a trajectory to collect data useful for analyzing low-altitude intercepts. Telemetry data will be collected from the EKV until its demise. BVT-01 is the first flight test of the modified two-stage GBI. All previous tests have employed the three-stage GBI, which is currently deployed to protect the nation against long-range ballistic missile attack. BVT-01 post-test analysis will assess the performance of the two-stage booster and provide risk reduction for future system development and testing. The ground-based mid-course defense system is a critical element of the nation's overarching ballistic missile defense system, currently deployed to protect the nation, our deployed forces, friends, and allies against enemy ballistic missile attacks.